Well, we are tracking a couple of things this morning as we get ready for court today in the Mark Sievers trial.
First, we're now on to the second round of jury selection for Mark Sievers. We also know jury selection in this case is expected to last at least through the middle of next week.
The state says Mark Sievers hired two men, Curtis Wright and Jimmy Rodgers, to murder his wife, Dr. Teresa Sievers. Wright took a plea deal in the case. Rodgers was just convicted of second-degree murder last month. Rodgers was set to be sentenced next week.
Yeah, and that was a big part of court yesterday. With the holidays coming up, the court brought Rodgers in to decide if that sentencing that was scheduled on Monday should be moved. Fox 4's Sandra Rodriguez has been covering both cases in court. She is at the Lee County Courthouse with an update this morning.
Well, Jimmy Ray Rodgers did appear before the judge yesterday afternoon for a status hearing. Judge Bruce Kyle said that he called the last-minute status hearing because of the difficulties they were having with the jurors for the Mark Sievers trial and all the holidays that are coming up. Now, he suggested moving the sentencing to mid-December, but after talking with both sides and with the Teresa Sievers family, the family said they had already made arrangements to be present for the sentencing scheduled for Monday, and they could not get refunded on those flights they had purchased to be here. For this reason, the judge decided to just keep the sentencing the same date, which will be on November 18th at 1:30. Now, regarding the potential jurors for the Mark Sievers trial, yesterday afternoon, there were up to 54, but the court was looking to have at least 60 potential jurors. Because of this, they called another pool of 28 potential jurors to go through the initial phase of questioning. From that pool, they kept 10, bringing up the total to 64, and 4 of them were kept last night to go through that second phase of questioning, which is the death penalty qualification phase. During this phase, they're going to be asked how they feel about the death penalty, if they have any religious or moral beliefs that would make it difficult for them to serve in a jury that could potentially sentence someone to the death penalty. So those 4 people were kept last night to go through that individual questioning, and the remaining 60 will be in court today to continue with that questioning for the second phase. And you can count on us to bring you the latest updates. At the Lee County Courthouse, Sandra Rodriguez, Fox 4 in your corner.
Sandra, thank you. And we know, again, jury selection in this case is expected to last at least until the middle of next week. And Fox 4 is in your corner. We are your home for complete coverage of everything related to the Mark Sievers trial. I will be back outside live at the courthouse each morning after jury selection wraps up for full coverage. And if you want all of the details on this years-long case, you can go to our website, fox4now.com, or use the Fox 4 app. That's also where we will be live streaming what's happening in the courtroom once jury selection wraps up. Sandra, again, has been inside the courtroom each and every single day. She will be live tweeting updates on our Twitter page as well as posting updates on our Facebook.